Okay, there you go.
Okay, Chip's getting his Christmas present.
Santa's little helper.
Chip's getting his Christmas present.
Who knows?
Where's your gift, Chip?
Oh. I was like, how do I get it?
He wants to smell everything else first. He just wants to make sure. I think he's smelling the gift.
And then he goes back. Oh, he knows.
Isn't he smart?
So smart.
What?
Wow.
Is that it, Chip? Is that your gift?
Is that it, Chip? Bring it out here, Chip.
But if he's like, I'm not dumb, it's always the Power Rangers one. Like every year.
Power Ranger box. What a smart dog.
He's in it.
Chip!
Chip, show us your gift, Chip.
Chip! Out here.
He's gonna take it and go away.
Let you breathe.
Oh, yay! What is it?
Wow, Chip.
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
What else did you get,
That
Chip?
is so cute.
Giant.
What else, Chip?
What else did you get?
Gingerbread.
You got a giant gingerbread.
What's that?
What else you get, Chippy?
Oh, you need help?
That is so cute. Oh,
Wow!
good job, Chip.
Chip, more, it's more.
There's more, Chip. This one? You wrapped it too hard for him.
No, he got into it. It's not food.
What? I think he's not a baby anymore. He doesn't think that's. Oh, you bit his leg!
Oh, you were getting right there.
Huh? Wow, Chip!